Welcome to the new Fifth Gear Automotive Satellite Service Center, your local door-to-door automotive repair service. Now, we're bringing the shop to you. No more long drives to the repair shop. Our satellite centers offer convenient drop-off and pick-up locations. Just schedule your appointment, drop off your keys with one of our friendly Satellite Service Center advisors. Too busy to stop by? We'll pick up your vehicle directly from your home or workplace and then transport it to one of our full-service repair hubs in the DFW area. You'll receive a comprehensive digital inspection report complete with photos and videos sent straight to your phone for easy review and approval. And with our 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, you'll drive away with peace of mind. And shortly after your visit, you'll receive a text asking you for a review. And shortly after that, you'll receive a phone call to make sure that your experience was everything that it was expected to be. So come on in to Fifth Gear Automotive and let us be your local door-to-door automotive service center. Save time, skip the stress, let us take care of the rest. And we'll see you soon.